Ali, breaking the wall of airport taxiway congestion. Hasnain, please. You are on mute, Hasnain.
Am I audible?
Yes, okay.
Owing to airport taxiway congestion, an aircraft on average gets delayed by 7 minutes while taxiing out of an airport. This translates to $900 million lost each year in excess fuel burn costs. But this is not the only cost. Increased fuel burn also leads to increased emissions, which given the climate change is increasingly becoming a major concern. To understand what causes delays, we should understand that an airport is a complex system of systems. It is plagued with uncertainties. For example, aircraft delays. For example, aircraft breakdowns and passenger boardings. And yet, state-of-the-art planning tools available with an air traffic controller are based on simplified models. We know two things. First, model is not reality. At best, it is a simplified mathematical expression aimed at abstracting reality. And second, data is reality. In fact, it captures all uncertainties that exist. Thus, to effectively curb congestion, I present an alternative paradigm of data-driven and uncertainty-aware airport departure management. In this paradigm, an agent is trained to recommend aircraft startup approval times to an air traffic controller. Call it the Siri of controller, if you will. To train, we generate actual airport scenarios using historical data. However, unlike model-based planners, we allow the agent to interact with airport environment and learn to behave under uncertainty. The goal is that given any state, the agent should recommend actions that would maximize the reward. Once the agent's belief state has matured, we test it on unseen scenarios. What you see here is the beautiful Singapore Changi Airport. It has runways on the sides, gates in the middle, departures journey from gates to runways, and arrivals vice versa. Remarkably, even under uncertainties, the agent learns to orchestrate smooth traffic flow with no hand-holding whatsoever. Extensive simulations tell us that this is going to have an amazing impact. This will reduce current Changi delays by 25%, which means $4 million savings in fuel burn and 17 kilotons of less carbon in air. In conclusion, data-driven airport demand management is an effective way to curb congestion. We believe this may revolutionize aviation industry and increase entire transportation network efficiency. Thank you.
Thank you, Hasnain.